Hello, hello! Welcome back to Red Ted Art, and we have another super cute pop-up card for you today. As you know, these pop-up cards are super easy to make. I think they look great, and they're just a really good project to make at Christmas. Now, if like me, you love Ted, look at Ted up there. Ted is hiding in this video. Leave me a comment down below and tell me if you've spotted him. Right, let's take a look and see how this cute Christmas card pop-up is made. So cute. This pop-up card, you'll again need some card. I chose a red one, folded in half, and some paper. Now this paper is actually just about the width of the card, but it's not an exact science. I'm going to create a concertina about 3 centimeters wide. I never quite get this right. And I've also done myself a little template. Let's see if it fits to my template. It does help if you've got a template, but you can create your own from scratch and then fold as neatly as you can to create 6 flaps or folds. I think mine literally just fits. Yay! There we go. So I've done my concertina. You've got 6 folds. Yeah. And then here's the closed side, here's the open side. This is where we're going to draw my tree template. Now you can sketch it out yourself, which is what I did with my template. I just had a go, check that it was right, and then used it for this video. But of course you can just create your own by sketching. I started off, as you can see, with a little triangle, then I added one. Then I added a third, which goes right to the edge, and a little tree stump at the bottom. So I'm just going to make sure that this is neat. There we go. And then you cut those out. It's important that you reach right at the end, otherwise you'll have 3 trees that aren't connected, and you do want them to connect. Let's open it up. Hey, we've got 3 cute little trees. Now they're going to go in this way rather than that way, so we can decorate on this side. So I'm going to put some cute little faces on, like we've done with our other pop-up cards. And then using your hole punch, get your scrap papers in different colours and create some cheeks. So I've got some cheeks here and also some decorations for the tree. So I'm going to make some yellow baubles, some orange baubles, some blue baubles. Just do them in lots of different colours and then stick them on. I'm going to speed that bit up because sticking them on will take a little while and might be a little bit boring to watch. Now we'll just make sure they're drying, and whilst they're drying we're going to create some extra little decorations, and they are super simple. We'll take again some scrap paper, we'll draw a little box, add some little outlines, so it's a box within a box, little loop and a little loop around the outside, and then cut these out roughly. It doesn't have to be super neat. I actually think it looks quite nice if you just cut them literally around the edge like so. And then you have lots of different gifts to put under the Christmas tree. So let's stick it all together and see what it looks like. So I'm going to fold these up again, make sure there's no glue, they're not stuck together. There we go. I'm going to take a look at where I'm going to place it. So it's going to be roughly like this. Get some glue. Add glue to one side. Place it down. Just check it fits over. Yep. Put some glue here. Take the tree, shut it. open up, oop, and the basic pop-up is finished. Isn't that cute? Now you could make an extra tree to go on the front, totally up to you. I just leave them blank because you want them opened. And now let's arrange our gifts to go around the bottom. I think they look really sweet. You can have one overlapping and then I think another one here. So that'll do. There you go. Christmas card with Christmas tree finished. Aren't they adorable? So cute. There you go. Now this is part of a series of Christmas cards. I've got quite a lot for you this year on Red Ted Art. So do have a look around the channel, look at my Christmas card playlist. Lots and lots and lots of ideas for you. But in the meantime, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching and keep making. We'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.